Hi, so welcome to this Pygame book part 4. So we were at this point where we created a window and we just click somewhere and we changed the background color. So now we want to show something on the screen. Dev, let's call this load player or self player equal uh, player. So at the start we're gonna load the player. We load this image, so it will be quite well explanatory. We get image here, player. So for the moment, let me see if everything works fine. Now we don't see the player, it's just loaded. We wanna see it on the screen, and so the main surface it's called screen. Okay, now we wanna display our player. So we will use for the moment blit self player, and we wanna put it at 100 100. There it goes, there is our character here. So thank you for watching this video, and in the next tutorial we will see how to move our sprite on the screen. See you soon. Bye.